Hello, my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today, gonna show you one more awesome binary smart trading strategy. Kindly focus on things and do as you seen same. Okay, first of all, you have to choose the VX100 index pair. Okay, once you select 100 index, find the strategy touch no touch. Okay, and please follow these all guides and select the duration of 5 minutes. Okay, duration of 5 minutes. Many guys I seen in a group that choosing the ticks. No, kindly choose the 5 minutes. Okay, and that the barrier offset will be delete this old one. Okay, and simply choose a plus 0.09. Okay, plus 0.09. Okay, and stake any, no problem. If you choose $100 or $1,000 or 0.35 is a minimum and the last allowed by, sorry, that's $1. Okay, that $1 and going to teach you the touch and no touch awesome strategy. Okay, now it's time to place the trade and see what will be happen and how we win. Always simply click on touch. Okay, always remember there is no touch. Okay, it's on high risk, so you have to touch. Or simply look here, this contract is won. Look here, that payout is of 4 cents. And you look here, contract information. Look here, the touch is confirmed and we won. Look here, and the profit, look here, 0.04. And look here, that's the second thing. First of all, remember, once you're going to place this trade, do same settings, no any changes, no any mistake here. Okay, if you did mistake, you will lose your hard-earned money. So first of all, clear that setup of a strategy as I told you, and simply click on touch. Okay, and click on view and track your, look here, that again touch and look here, won. This contract result is won. Okay, and simply exit. Look here, let me let me show you one more example of the trade, and be with me and simply touch. Look here again touch, and just simply click on view and wait till that market give you the results. And look here, is moving. We have a 5 minute duration. There is no problem. Control your emotions and simply leave the market to do all action by self. And look here, again this contract is won. So simply very powerful strategy, very accurate thing. How you predict there is going to touch happen, or simply select the candlestick chart, and once you see the bullish, look here, that the bullish candle, any bullish candle, no problem, any bullish candle, simply place your trade and win. And look here, this is my virtual account. I just today I started with my real account and I made awesome profit with touch no touch. Okay, let me show you the last one example. That the last trade I have opened and just see how market behave, and look here, it's going down. Okay, you have to wait till that market touch this barrier offset and give you profit. Okay, simply control your emotion. There is no place of emotions. Okay, simply follow steps and place the trade and wait for. Look here. Again, we won this contract, and look here. So very powerful and very easy and the simple strategy. Kindly minimum 10 trades win on your demo and start this strategy. Okay, and daily target high will say $10. Thanks for watching. If you still have any question, feel free inbox me or WhatsApp in the Telegram channel available for your chat, and say your question will inshallah reply you.